Far above the meadow, where the daisies swayed and the crickets sang their tiny night songs, a little cloud floated all alone. She was puffy and soft, like a piece of cotton drifting in the blue. Every morning, the little cloud would stretch and yawn, and then she would wander. She drifted over sleepy hills, peeked at silver streams, and listened to the tall trees whisper to one another. "Stay a while," the trees would say, but the little cloud would smile and float on. One afternoon, she met a flock of birds soaring high. "Come with us," the birds chirped, flapping their wings in the sunshine. The little cloud twirled and twinkled beside them until the birds turned south and she drifted north. "Goodbye," she called, and the sky carried her gently forward. By evening, the little cloud felt a little lonely. She wondered if she would always drift without a friend. Then, just as the stars began to twinkle, another cloud floated close by. This cloud was round and fluffy too, glowing soft in the moonlight. "Hello," said the new cloud. "Hello," whispered the little cloud. They floated side by side, sharing the night sky. Together they watched the stars shimmer, the owls fly, and the sleepy meadow curl beneath them. And from that night on, the little cloud never wandered alone again. Drifting, drifting, they whispered good night to the world below.